Hello, my name is Rafael Dubena, and I'm going to talk a little bit about one of my areas of interest, which is investing, and why investing in a market such as Brazil is a great option for Americans. Um, Even though most people, some point in their lifetime, want to have a personal savings, many don't know of ways in order to make money off of that savings. So, if you leave money in your house or in a bank account that does not earn interest, with time, inflation is going to eat up that money and it's going to lose its value. However, investing in a stock market might be too risky for some people and they might not be too comfortable with that. So, in order to earn great interest while keeping your money safe, a great way to do that is to invest in an emerging market, such as in Brazil. According to Forbes, emerging countries are the drivers of economic growth, and that means that Brazil is a great place to invest. And with high interest rates and a great currency exchange at the moment, investing in Brazil is a really competitive option for foreigners to invest. So why does Brazil actually pay you to invest in its economy? The main reason is that leaving money in developed countries that are rich, they don't really need your money, but the emerging markets such as Brazil, they actually need money to pay their bills. And that's why if you lend them your money, they're going to return it to you with an interest after a certain amount of time. So that's why Brazil is a good place to invest. But what's a good fund to invest in? The Brazilian Federal Public Bond is funded by the federal government, and as Milton Costa, broker of Geração Futuro Investment Company in Brazil, this fund rewards its investors with around 10 to 14% of interest a year. So if you had $10,000 to invest, a year later you would receive $1,400 just for leaving the money there. If you had the same $10,000 and you left it at a common savings account here in America, that money might get you around 50 to 60 bucks in the same amount of time. So the difference is very big. But a great thing to consider when taking money to a different country are the exchange rates and how safe the economy actually is. So for the past year, the US dollar has gained an immense value compared to many foreign currencies, and the Brazilian dollars are included. For 2 years ago, $1 could buy about $2 Brazilian, while at the moment the current exchange rate is 1 to 3. So $1 can buy exactly 3, even more than $3 Brazilian, which is great for the Americans. And in order to protect its investors, the Federal Reserve of Brazil fully backs up investments of up to about $70,000 per person. So in summary, the US dollar is at a peak strength, which means you could get much money for whatever you take into the country. And this specific investment does not require very large amounts of money. With investments starting at values up to around $3,000, it's a very reachable amount for various types of people. So in conclusion, with high interest rates, even a small investment in Brazil could generate very big amounts of money comparatively to what one could achieve here in the United States. If you have or plan on having a personal savings in the future, you should consider investing that money in Brazil due to the high interest rates, safety backup, and the convenience of a tax-free environment. Thanks.